Pinterest keeps changing its policy regarding the direct sharing of the affiliate link on their website. As you can read in one of the blog posts on the Amazon Associate website, that in the past, whenever you were sharing the affiliate links on the Pinterest, they were declaring it as a spam and it was not allowed. However, gradually their spam detection system has become more sophisticated, and then they later on allowed the Amazon affiliate links, the direct linking or direct sharing onto their websites. I'm not sure what is the policy now, but you have to keep this thing in mind once you are sharing the affiliate links onto the Pinterest. I'm going to show you both the ways, the direct linking and the indirect sharing of the affiliate links onto your Pinterest account. For the sake of this tutorial, I will sign into my Amazon affiliate or associate account, and I'll select a product which I will show you how you can share that onto your Pinterest. So I'll select a product and then I'll go to the product page, and from the top Amazon Associate strip, I'll click the text to get the text link. So from here I'll select the short link and I'll copy the link. Now you need to create a pin. So to create the pin, I'll log into the Canva and I'll search for the pin. So Pinterest pin, both options are available here on top. Select any of them. So for the sake of this tutorial, I will select the any given format. While I can edit this here, the text, the background picture, the color of the text, the font, but I'll just keep it like this in order to make the tutorial short. And then from here I will go to, and then I will download the image from the Canva. Go to your Pinterest account, log in into your Pinterest account, and then go to create, select create pin. Here you can upload the image. The image has been uploaded. Here you can add the title of the pin. You can also add the alt text where you can explain the people what they are seeing. You can write the description of the pin. I'll just add the title here, and then I'll just go back again, copy the link once again, and then add it to destination link. I'll select the appropriate board, and then I'll just press the publish. The pin has been saved. You can go to your account and then you can see that your pin has been saved here. Now anybody who clicks onto your pin and then clicks onto your link, it will take them to this product page on Amazon website, and if they buy it from there, you will get the commission as it is your affiliate link. However, the recommended method is not directly sharing the link onto your Pinterest pin. You can create a blog or a website, or you can even create a landing page, and you can share that affiliate link onto that blog or a landing page, and then you can share that blog post link to the Pinterest. And if you don't want to spend money onto your blog, you can create a free website on sites.google.com. and as you can see here that they have the drag and drop options available. Here you can simply add this placeholder, add the picture of your product here, give the description, and somewhere add a link over here, and then you can share this link onto your blog post.